This is something that comes up a lot when I talk to organizations about mental health training. They've done it before, they've sent their people on a course, they've ticked that box. And then in reality, nothing really changes. Not because their people don't care, far from it, they do care, but because of the training handed them knowledge and then left them to just go back into the organization and figure the rest out on their own. And that gap between what someone learnt on a course and the reality of the organization is where things start to get a bit disconnected. And that's because off the shelf training isn't designed for your workplace. It doesn't know your culture, your sector, your policies, your procedures. It doesn't know what your people are already dealing with or what support actually looks like inside your organization. So people tend to finish their training feeling uncertain, not sure what to do when it matters, and not confident enough to act. And when that happens, having someone trained doesn't really help the people around them who may need it. That's the problem we built peace of mind training around. You see, we don't just disappear once we've delivered the training. What we do is we start by actually understanding your organization, your needs, your pressures. We look at your policies, your procedures. And if there are gaps, we'll tell you and we can work on them. And if there are things that work really well, we can build around those too. And the training itself is designed to prepare people for the reality of the workplace conversations, not just the theory, real role play, real discussion, sessions where your people are genuinely involved, not just sitting in a room being talked at. When they leave the training, they have an app. It's our app. It's there on their phone, in their pocket, waiting to support them in the role well beyond the training course. Because for a lot of people, what they need to use, the skills they've learned could be weeks, months, years after the course, and they need something to fall back on. And we can also keep the support going beyond the certificate if that's what your organization needs. Now, that could be ongoing resources, support for your managers, or somewhere for your mental health first aiders to turn to when things get difficult, or our staff care system where we can support your staff with our wide range of therapies. The people in your organization are already spinning a lot of plates. Well-being and mental health doesn't have to be another one. What it needs to be is something that's embedded, supported, joined up with everything else you're already doing in your organization. And that's what we do at Peace of Mind Training. Not another course, not another tick box, something that actually works for your people, your culture, and your organization.